Hey guys, Johnny at the Bravo Shop. I just wanted to take a minute to go over oil pumps. This is a brand new Melling. It is the Select high pressure, high volume, anti-cavitation. Pretty good pump. The problem is, we did some testing on pumps and you can do a few runs, take the pump back apart, and the cover's all scored up from the gears riding on it. On these gears, if you run your finger over the edge, they are extremely sharp. So we're going to grab a file and knock them corners off. Okay, I'm going to do this gear and then I'll be back to you. Okay, so I'm not forgetting about the bottom of the tooth. I'm actually using this little rat tail file and cleaning a little machining burr out of it too. Okay guys, we are at my granite table now. The next problem is, although these covers look like they're machined pretty nice, they're not flat, which causes them to not seal against the pump body. So we're going to sand this a little bit and I'll show you. Okay, so now you can see the areas that have been sanded and the areas that have not. Give me 1 second, I'm going to put some dye on here so you can see it a little better. Okay guys, I couldn't find my dye, so I just colored it in with a marker. It doesn't show up as well as the dye, but you can see there's some dark spots and it's mainly cutting right around the edge. So let's finish this up. bit of honing oil. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's rinse it off. Okay, I'm back. I've washed and blown off all the parts that we filed on or sanded on. Now we're going to assemble them. This is just some Clevite bearing guard. I like to put that in there for a little bit of lubrication. We're going to put our parts back together. And on this one I also like to put a little bit on the shaft. And again on the top of the gears, just a light little film. Okay, I'm going to grab my pickup tube and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Pickup tube is installed. Put the pump in my vise and torqued all the bolts. So now we're going to put it on the test stand. Okay, so we're gonna bring some oil up, get the pump primed. Okay. Gauge over here so you can see it. Steady 76 psi. So this is what we do to help ensure that the oil pump has the most life that it can possibly have and is functioning properly before we install it in an engine. Thanks for watching.